Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to check your reposts on Instagram so you can see everything you've shared in one place. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. Before we dig into the settings, we need to make sure you are running the latest version of Instagram, as this Repost tab is a newer feature that might not show up on older versions. First, head over to your Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Tap on the search bar and type in Instagram to find the app. If you see a button that says Update next to the app icon, go ahead and tap that to download the latest features. Once the update is finished, or if it already says Open, go ahead and launch the Instagram app. Now that your app is ready, locating the Repost section is actually quite simple, but it is easy to miss if you don't know where to look. Once you are inside the app, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your main page. Look closely at the row of icons right underneath your bio. This is where you usually see your grid, your reels, and your tagged photos. You should see a new tab here specifically for reposts. It often looks like two arrows cycling or a similar repost symbol. Tap on that tab and you will see a history of all the reels and posts you have reposted to your profile. Note, if you don't see this tab yet, it usually means you haven't reposted anything publicly yet, or the feature is still rolling out to your specific account, so don't panic if it's missing. From here, you can view the posts again, share them with friends, or even undo a repost if you changed your mind. And that's it. You now know how to find and manage your reposts on Instagram quickly and easily. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.